everybody, welcome to my channel. We've got a Maniology box. This is Santa's Workshop, and it's just a new little box, a little fun Christmas time that gives you a stamping plate. It's not the subscription box. It's got a stamping plate, a stamper, and two mini-sized stamping polishes. And they are giving these away. They are giving, I'm not, don't quote me on this. I don't know. I believe they're giving 100 of these away. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're giving 10 away. I don't remember. But I've got an email in asking, since I don't remember what exactly I was told about this. Get my face out. But here is the plate. Really cute. Oh my gosh, look, I didn't notice that one before. The little truck. Just some very cute little animals skating. Love this. The little berries. I like those stripes too. Snowflakes, trees. Very adorable plate. Instructions. But I'll put a link down below and you'll just click on that and follow it to go enter the giveaway. It's not my giveaway. They just wanted me to show you guys, okay? So it comes with two polishes, and this is Quasar. And I already had Quasar, so I went ahead and used that on my nails. That's what's on my nails now. It is very pink leaning red. Gorgeous. And there it is stamped, but I will stamp this one. Maybe it's different. And the other one is fleece. And I thought I had this, but I do not. It's a beautiful, I don't know. It's silver, but is it? Kind of looks like they're pewter, but I don't think so. Anyway, and also you get a limited edition stamper and scraper. Beautiful. All right, let's get this out and try these stamping polishes and grade those and do a little mani. Get a better look at that plate. Really adorable. All these images are so cute. And I'm going to be stamping some pretty big images that are going to, for sure, be on my skin here. So I'm going to put the little latex finger protectors on. I'm not going to worry about that one though. And I'm going to warn you right now, this red, while it is very beautiful, very opaque, went on like a dream, don't get it on your skin. Don't get it in your cuticles, because if you do, it will stain them and you're going to have a really hard time cleaning it up. Trust me. I know. Yeah, it is very, very pink red. A pink red. And of course, it's not going to really show up on the black, but it's a very pretty red. And it probably looks pretty good over the silver. And again, all this month of November and probably into December, I'm going to do my best to show you all the things that I feel like would be a great Christmas gift for somebody that would like a stamping kit. There is a whole spectrum of people that would love this. Ooh, that is pretty. Very, very pretty. I don't know. I'm going to give that one a B and this one an A because it shows on both colors and this one doesn't really, but I love Quasar. I think it's a great red. All right, I love this with the holly and I'm going to color that in. I'm going to color in the green leaves. And the berries will just be the red that's on my nails. And then I want to put some silver stripes. And the stamper is pretty firm, so it's very nice for stamping straight lines. Ooh, gorgeous. And the green I'm using is Sour Apple. And I'm just going to paint the leaves. Love that. And I'm just going to remove my little aprons. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. The stamper slipped out of my hand and I grabbed it with my thumb. Oh, you could give yourself a tattoo. Okay. As with any red, please be careful. When you, even to clean up, I was spreading it to the next nail because I forgot to wipe my brush off when I was doing cleanup. And I still don't have all of it cleaned up. What, like right there. But that, see, it has red on it already because, and then I was spreading it back on my nail with every swipe I took. So be very careful with red. I mean, this, it's not just this red, it's like any red. Be very careful. All right, those look really cute. I love those. All right, thanks you guys so much for watching. I believe this giveaway goes through the 18th of November. So the 1st of November through the 18th. You can go enter, follow the link below and go enter. I'll see if I can click, I'll see if I can put one up here too. Sometimes YouTube does not like you directing traffic to outside of YouTube. So if that's not up there, just pull the little arrow down in the description box and follow it to go enter this giveaway. And I'm sure Maniology has their own rules for giveaways. This is not, like I said, my giveaway. All right, thanks you guys so much for watching. What do you think? I love the truck. The little truck's cute, but it wouldn't fit like sideways. It wouldn't fit this way across. And I don't want to shrink it. So cute. Little trees. Adorbs. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye. Tom decided to start a fire. He caught the whole yard on fire. Probably should start down here. We didn't want to mow anymore anyway. I can't believe the fire department's not here yet. It's
not funny.
It is kind of funny. Nobody noticed. Oh, the yard's on fire.
Oh,
Huh?
my kid just called me.
Oh, he did.
Yeah. Go pull that hose up here, please.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out why you started that fire out there because I thought that was for a bonfire. Why did you? To be fair, we do not have a burn ban. But maybe we should. Daddy, we were going to go for a walk. Oh, don't. That sand just blew right in my face. Rawr! Are you going to get me? Oh, scary. That is good digging in your sand. Hey, you got new sand. Papa must have found some sand to put in there.
I need out.
No, because then Augie's going to want out.
I won't. I won't let him out.
Well, I'll have to lift you up over.